I don't remember, but it's in a 3-inch shell again.
Hey,
So.
Ronnie, look at your shoulder.
Here's a multi-surprise. It's got about, I think it's 12 different.
That's a bird round.
Different balls.
Yeah.
What? There's a bird round, yeah. Not bad. But I think I'm gonna knock my ass off again with this fucking. Got a camera?
Mine's dead.
Okay.
Cool.
It's a 3-inch Magnum round, again, called the Big Idiot. I really don't know what's in it.
That's why it's called the Big Idiot.
Exactly.
Locks you in the face.
Oh, I got hit with something. I got hit.
Back at you. Oh, man.